All right. We've been cleaning a 2-bedroom apartment. We've done the living room, hallway, and the bedroom. That was one video. Because we didn't want to make too lengthy of a video, we're making this a separate video. So this is kind of a part 2. But we'll put it up separately. It may not even go up. It may go up a week after the first video did. I don't know.
We have no idea. You can go down over there.
So these carpets have been pre-sprayed. It's an optional thing you don't have to do, but we do it. And the carpets are not too dirty. So we're just going over everything. This is the Dupray Neat. Since I don't know if I said that at the first of this video. Dupray Neat, it's rated at 275 degrees at 50 psi. And what we're using comes with the Neat. It's the floor tool with a microfiber pad. And they give you those, but they're basically for cleaning floors, but we use them for carpets. Now, if you try to clean carpets with a floor pad and you find it is kind of not wanting to stay on the floor tool very good for you, those bands we put on there, those are hair ties you get for people that have ponytails and stuff like that.
There's a fix for that.
Yeah, and you just...
These things here, I got them at Walmart. You get a whole bunch of them for $5 or something.
So if they wear out and break, you just get a different...
These are the original two I got. I got about 40 of them. I have a feeling they're going to last for the next 4 or 5 years, but that's all you need.
Yeah, that helps hold it in place. That way when you push it forward and backwards, it doesn't catch the front edge of the pad and make it start pulling away from you. Alright, so also we'll mention in this that, and you see there's a green light on the front of the Neat. I hope you can see from here. When the green light is on, that means you are at the maximum pressure and temperature. But in use, it's going to turn amber pretty quickly on you, although it hasn't yet. But amber doesn't mean that you have to stop. Amber just means that the burner is heating up. So it's trying to maintain the pressure and the temperature for you. With a closed head like this, you're going to maintain a really good temperature and pressure to keep cleaning carpets and everything because you're closing it off with that pad. But if you're using an open tool, like one of the brushes, or if you're using the the jet nozzle, you will have to maybe stop and let it repressurize from time to time.
Well, to you who are paying attention, we have not done the closet yet, and we're going to do it off camera. Nobody wants to watch us go into a walk-in closet.
Yeah, it's too dark.
We'll do it when the video's done, the last thing, before we leave.
Alright.
So, we didn't forget. Don't ask us about it. We know there's people like, did you get to close it? Yeah, we're going to get it. But not yet.
We got an overcast day, so I hope this is showing up good on video.
Me too. It should be. If it ain't showing up, I'll tell you right now, it's cleaning good. So if you can see it cleaning good, we're telling you it is. Of course, we went live.
Now, if you check our channel, we've got numerous videos showing the Neat steamer cleaning carpets. And we've been using this, for mid-December, and this is what, April 3rd, 4th? So we've been using it for a little over 3 months.
Long time.
And we've cleaned a lot of carpets with it, so we've put it to a pretty good test. If you're buying one of these as a homeowner, depending on what you do, you may not use this as much as we've used it. In a 2-year period, you may not use it this much. But we've used it a lot. But we mostly clean carpets with it. But we have done some floors with it. And
it's excellent on floors, and it's excellent on furniture.
Furniture is great.
Furniture.
It's the best way to clean your upholstery I've seen.
You can literally clean a sectional couch in 6-7 minutes. Yeah. And I'm talking about cleaning.
Yeah, he's moving the machine. You don't want to pull the machine around by the hose. It's not good for the hose and the connections inside.
No, we don't drag it by the hose.
So
I'll let it run up for a minute.
Even though it's got little wheels on the bottom, it doesn't mean that you can pull it around by the hose. You shouldn't do that. It'd almost be better if they didn't put wheels on the bottom, so you won't be tempted to do that.
Even when it's turned off, it's hot enough to burn you if you sit there and really touch it.
So he's going to let it build back up. It's on amber light right now.
It'll turn on in a minute.
You don't have to do that though. There's green. But you can see a lot of videos we've done on this. This product's only been out since May of 2018. There's not a lot of videos on YouTube, but there's tons of reviews on Amazon. I'll put a link.
The truth is, go to Amazon and look at the price.
Yeah, I'll put a link on the Amazon in the video description for Amazon. This was an Amazon exclusive at first, but I think it's on Walmart.com too, but it's a better price on Amazon.
For as good as these things were, they're giving them away.
Yeah.
This thing.
Oh yeah, I wanted to, that's a good thing to mention. For the price you're selling these things for, I think they're worth about $300 or $400 easily for the amount of work you can
They're
do.
probably worth $500 or $600.
At least the way we use it.
Yeah, they're worth a fortune to
Yeah.
us. We clean carpets.
So while they're giving them away for almost nothing compared to what they could be selling them for,
Go get them.
it's a good chance to get one because
Yeah.
they're an excellent steamer for the price. And that's what I was saying about our channel. You can see that they do have some good durability because we've been using it quite a bit and we haven't noticed any loss in performance or any problems at all. It's working great. Even the pads that they send with it haven't worn out. So you can have one pad. We basically use the same pad for everything.
If you want to get a steamer that gets anywhere near as hot as this, you're going to spend $500.
Yeah.
You will. That's just go research it. You're not going to get one for under about probably $550, $600. That's just. I mean, these things are incredibly cheap.
Well, there's a chance Dupray's trying to dominate the market because they're
This might do it.
the competing models in this price range don't go anywhere near this temperature. But if they're doing that, take advantage of it and get a good machine for a good price while you can before they decide that they've.
No, you can talk while I clean the closet if you want to. You can show it. It's just some people may want to turn the video off.
You're catching. We're using an extension cord to be able to reach the whole apartment. You can use an extension cord with these, but you want to use one. They say if you can 1,300 watts, or I think they said 13 amps. But if you just get a 1,500 watt, 15 amp cord, extension cord, that's going a little bit bigger than is recommended is never a bad thing for extension cord.
You want to go a little bigger so you don't blow it out.
Yeah, and we use this with an extension cord all the time because the cord that comes with is a decent length, but we want to be able to just keep going and not have to keep changing our plugins all the time. So we added that on there. All right, he's about done in there. This room's basically done. If you saw an earlier video, or you can go check on the channel, you can see where we cleaned that room and this room, and none of it's been raked yet. That's something we always do. We'll get a carpet rake and we'll rake the carpets and make them look nice and pretty. I'm not going to show that on video just because it's a sidebar thing. But anyway, check the video description and check our channel for lots of other content. We use lots of other machines for cleaning carpets too. And if you go to the Amazon link for the Dupray Neat, you can see that. I'll put a link in there for an Amazon influencer store that we have also. We sell these, plus we sell other steamers and lots of other cleaning equipment on our influencer store. And there's some pages there with different things on it. So make sure you check that out. We hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, thanks for watching.